It was crazy, darling. All right, you guys, you've just witnessed another episode of My Machine Is Not Broken. Samsung says that because the technician came out and ran a computer diagnostic on a machine that was not running, because he ran a spin cycle on a machine that had no load, he said, after spending approximately 11 minutes in my house, it's not broken. Yet, last time I checked, machines that were less than 3 months old don't walk, don't talk, and don't squirt dirt from the bottom of their machine. Oh, here we go again. Let's be quiet and listen closely. Hey! That machine works perfectly. Yep, that's what I said. That machine works perfectly. So I'm going to end this joyous, boring episode of Machine 101. But I just want everybody who's interested in buying a Samsung washing machine to see what I'm going through. You'll notice the plastic and the paperwork is still on top. I haven't even bothered yet to finish it. And thank God I didn't buy the dryer yet, because I had an emergency where I killed my machine. So with a toddler, you can't live without a machine. So there we go. I just wanted to share what I'm going through. I'm pretty sure the bottom is dirt. The machine is clearly defective. Wherever this machine was, it wasn't taken care of. But again, hey, Samsung says it's not broken. They're sure of it. Nothing at all wrong with this machine. All machines walk into corners by themselves.